measure a current using a voltmeter. Set the range into the line splitter is 220 volts. That is the male splitter, and this is this one is female splitter. Then I will plug the kit in the light, then turn off and off if there is a current flow. Then in measuring using clamp meter, if you measure 2 wires, nothing is measured. That's why we measure one of it. The measured wire is 0.03 ampere. The other one is 0.03 ampere. That's be all. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and credits to the owner of this video.